Hey guys, welcome back to Karen Lee's TV, and for today's video is another haul video. Hi guys, sorry if I missed out my Saturday and Tuesday's videos. Medyo busy lang and magiging late na ako sa mga videos ko for the meantime kasi maraming gagawin. And yon, sa vlog post yon, continue pa rin. So check out my vlog. Items na nabili ko from Manila. Tsaka yung mga natanggap ko nung nagstay ako sa Quezon City. So yon. Let's get started. Actually, nung April pa to, nasa Quezon City. So, ito. Ito na. Thank you si Charlene for sending this over. And, ito yung aking, I think this is the same with yung nasa sachet, yung Keratin Hair Reconstructor. Ngayon is full size siya. And, it's actually my favorite. Yan. And then, this one is the Henna Wax Color Reconstructing Treatment Cello Shine. Charlene explained to me na para siya siyang ganito pero may kulay. So next item naman is from Katrina's Clothing. Thank you Miss Sarah. And ito yung Carrot Health Soap. Yan, dalawa. So I'll be doing a giveaway siguro soon. So just watch out. Abang-abang lang kayo guys, and isasama ko yung isang soap, isi-share ko, and mag-add pa ako ng ibang item. So ano lang, abang-abangers lang sa giveaway. Next naman is from Ate Vanessa of Faith Hope Love Soap, and ito yung Oatmeal Avocado Face and Body Soap. Ayan. And the next item, aking favorite na Cucumber Hydrating Mist. Ayan, sealed pa. Hindi ko pa siya na-open. And then, Mother's Love Soothing and Healing Balm. Yes, ito. Argan Glow Lip and Cheek Balm. Ayan. Mga new product niya din ata ito. Ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan. So, this is in the shade Tia. So, Confidently Beautiful with Art. Ayan, itsura niya, guys. Amuyin niyo na din. Amuyin niyo na. So, next item is from Skin Potions. Kasi pupunta ako sa opening nila nung Sunday sa SM North EDSA. And then, pupunta ako, so mag-lip ako. Then, ayan, binigyan niya ako nitong Beachy Babe. Eh, hindi ko pa siya na-try. So, yun. Excited na ako kung anong effect niya sa hair. So, gagawin ko yung review yan. Ang dami ko pang need i-review, guys. Thank you, Sis Jonah, and congrats on your second branch. So, next item naman is padala ng papa ko. And this is the Bath and Body Works Japanese Cherry Blossom Fragrance Mist. Ayan. Ayan, super bango. Next item from Natura Organics. Thank you, Dr. Amel. And kasi umorder ako sa kanya ng grapeseed oil. And then, meron akong freebies nung 4 primers. And yes, yan, bongga. Ang bongga nito, nakita ko to kay Sis Jules and also kay Sis Krish. Yan, so excited. Hindi ko pa na-open kasi super naging busy kami ng friend ko nung nasa Quezon City kami. Actually, nag-apply kami. That's the reason. Kaya, nandun kami sa Manila. And next naman is from Miss Ivy of LeBlanc's Ultra Healing BB Cream in the shade LBS2 and LB04. LBS2 and LB04, and yan, new shades, and super excited akong matry. Actually, super favorite ko talaga tong Ultra Healing BB Cream. Kasi para siyang foundation, ganda yung kanyang kanya consistency talaga. Yun nga lang, nag-oxidize siya. Pero actually, workout naman yun. And also, Miss Ivy added 3 ano bang tawag dito sa lip creams in the shade Electra, Aphrodite, and Ina. So, yun. Kagawan ko to ng review and swatches. Yun. So, marami kayong aabangan talaga. Next naman is from Crave Mineral. Matagal din nila pinadala sa Quezon City kasi na address. Kiss and Run Organic Lipsticks. I have 5 shades. You have your Ate V, Cassie, Venice, Jessie, and Lizzie. So, yun. I actually love the color, especially yung Lizzie. Ganda. I'm going to give you a quick swatch. So, this is Lizzie. Yan, kita ba? Lizzie, and Jessie, Cassie, Venice, Ate V. So, I'm actually using yung ring light. And tinatry ko. Well, mini ring light hindi yung malaking ring light. Tinatry ko if maganda yung effect niya sa doon. Okay, ito naman, new. Ang tawag ito, banana lip butters. And then, yung isa, lip and cheek tint. This is Love Rosy. Yeah, still from Crave. Peach Perfect. Ang bango. Naamoy ko na siya agad. Yan yung nasa taas. Red or Alive. Yan, Red or Alive. Pink Citrus. Yan na. Yan. So, excited. Dami na naman tayong lip product. So, follow my KL Lip Swatch on Instagram. Nandun yung mga lip swatches ko ng mga lip product. Thank you sa lahat ng mga brands na nagtatrust at nagpapadala. Thank you po. Super na-appreciate ko pong lahat ng ito. Ito, nabili ko sa Daiso, yung eyelash glue at saka eyebrow pencil and the shade dark brown. So, yan. Tatry natin. Ang ganda ng packaging. Parang feel ko Darling Wink or something like mga key palette. Parang binili ko tong new shade nila in Queen Bee. 349 ang isa. And ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko sa bagong release nila ng shades. Queen Bee. Last but not the least, from Proactive. This is a Proactive Kit Integrated Acne Treatment System. This is a 30-day kit with a bonus included. Hindi ka pa na-open, but this is how it looks like. So, yan. Yun na yung last. So, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to share this on your social networking sites. Yun guys. See you on my next video. Bye!